Good morning, student. First chapter we already finished it. Today I am sending you the textbook exercise of chapter 1. So please, student, do this exercise on your geography notebook. Okay. Now in this video we are going to start with the second chapter of geography. Okay. Now second chapter is about the physical features of India. Okay, now when we talk about the physical features of India, there are so much of variation in the physical features. You talk about the great Himalaya mountain. That great Himalaya mountain we found in India. The same country we have a desert area. Okay, the same country where we have a great mountain like Himalaya, desert like third desert, we have a plain area. Okay, very fertile plain area, we have a plateau area. Now why do India have so much of variation of these physical features? Okay, now the question, why it is so much of variation? Basically this is because of two reasons. The first one is external process. External process is those process which take places on the surface of the earth. Okay, for example, you have been already studied in the lower class erosion, soil erosion, the type of soil erosion, weathering, right? These are the some of the process which take place on the surface of the earth. Okay, now second one is the internal process. So in this chapter, in your class, I'm going to focus on internal process, not the external process. Okay, now I'll start this internal process with this theory called tectonic plate theory. Tectonic plate theory. Plate tectonic is the theory that Earth's outer shell is divided into several plates that glide over the metal, the rocky inner layer above the core. Now, according to this theory, what it says that whole that lithosphere is divided into numbers of plate. Plate means it's a piece of land. Okay. Now, this Earth, that lithosphere is divided into several numbers of plate. These plates are not constant. Okay, these plates are not constant. Constant मतलब टिका हुआ नहीं है. Okay, this is constant in the move. They are constantly in the move. Okay, which means these several plates are always on the motion, always on the movement. Okay, now the question is, you might be thinking, then why do we don't feel? Okay, हम महसूस क्यों नहीं करते हैं? अगर ये प्लेट जो है मूवमेंट में हमेशा रहते हैं तो हम महसूस क्यों नहीं करते हैं? द रीज़न इज बिकॉज दिस मूवमेंट, इफ़ यू मेज़र इट, अगर आप इसको मेज़र करोगे, मूवमेंट का डिस्टेंस जो है साल में अराउंड इज ओनली 1 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, ये प्लेट जो है मूव जब करते हैं इतना माइन्यूट है, इट इज सो माइन्यूट, ओनली दैट डिफरेंस, दैट डिस्टेंस इज ओनली 1 सेंटीमीटर. नाउ यू टॉक अबाउट सच ए बिग कंट्री लाइक इंडिया, नाउ यू टॉक अबाउट द होल वर्ल्ड. नाउ दिस piece of land, the piece of land where we live, if it's move only 1 centimeter, obviously will not, you and I will not able to feel it. Okay, so this is the reason, that because earth is such a big place. Okay, where if the 1 centimeter distance moving away from each other is very minute, we will never feel it. Okay, now but this 1 centimeter, if every year if 1 centimeter it moves, now after thousands of years, that that has a great impact. Okay, जो साल में एक साल में अगर 1 सेंटीमीटर मूव करते हैं, हमें फ़िलहाल एट प्रेजेंट हमें कुछ फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता, बट वही 1 सेंटीमीटर हज़ारों साल के बाद, 1000 years के बाद क्या हो जाते हैं, वी कुड सी द डिफरेंस. उसकी वजह से हमें डिस्टेंस दिखने को मिलता है, फ़र्क दिखने को मिलता है. ओके, सो इस थ्योरी के मुताबिक, ओके, जियोलॉजिस्ट ने जो थ्योरी बताया, इस थ्योरी के मुताबिक हमारा अर्थ जो है, हमारा लिथोस्फीयर जो है कांस्टेंट नहीं है, वो कंटिन्यूसली मूव में रहते हैं. ओके, नाउ दिस प्लेट हैज़ ए 3 मूवमेंट. यही हमारा प्लेट मीन्स, एज आई टोल्ड यू, द पीस ऑफ लैंड. ओके, पीस ऑफ लैंड. नाउ यही हमारा प्लेट जो है, उसका three types of plate movements are there. Okay, you look at the diagram. The first one is diversion. Okay, I look at the carefully the east diagram, you will see that arrow sign is there. Okay, diversion means diversion, then conversion, then transform. Okay, arrow sign के साथ में दिया हुआ, please student look carefully. Okay, now let's see the first one. First one is diversion. Diversion means moving away from each other, right? So when two plates, okay, now the two plates when they move away from each other, that is called the divergent boundary. Got my point? जब दो प्लेट जो है, दो प्लेट आपस में अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में एक दूसरे से दूर चले जाते हैं, उसे हम बोलते हैं डाइवर्जेंट बाउंड्री. ओके, you see the picture here also, ये दोनों प्लेट में that arrow sign is there, right? They are away from each other. So this is the movement. Okay, this is the movement that divergent take place. Next one is convergent. Convergent Convergent boundary is those movement where the two plates are coming together. You look at this picture carefully, that arrow sign is there, right? Now two different plates when they come together, you see white color का नीचे दिया हुआ है, red color का arrow ऊपर दिया हुआ है, right? So when the two plate they come together, they collide, right? They collide with each other. So this is the second type of plate movement. The second type. The third one is transform. Transform boundary are those boundary where two plates scrap past each other. मतलब क्या है, दोनों एक दूसरे आप आमने सामने से क्या हो गया, क्रॉस करते हुए जा रहे हैं. Okay, so this is the three types of plate movement. The first one is divergent, जो एक दूसरे से they are moving away from each other. Convergent, where two plates are coming together, come near together. And the third one is transform boundary movement, where the two plates are scrapped and past each other. Okay, so please student, these are the three types of the movement. Now here is exercise for you. The first one is homework. Explain the term tectonic plate theory. Okay, what did you understand the tectonic plate theory? Second one is what are the types of plate movement?